Hey everybody, welcome to 1123 West 81st Street in Los Angeles. This is a hot property update. A friend of mine just bought this property. We're in the process right now where they are doing the remodel on it. This property is a Spanish style, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, about 1,500 square feet. This property will be a hot commodity. It is going to be so nice when it's all done. We absolutely love the street here. As you can see, a lot of great homes, a lot of Spanish style homes, a lot of fixed up homes. Some of the homes definitely could use some fix up, but this is such an up and up property. Great thing about this property does qualify for our $50,000 grant. Yes, I said that correctly, $50,000. So if you're thinking about buying a home in LA, the qualifications are pretty simple. You need to have a 660 credit score. You need to make less than $294,000. And essentially you cannot own a home. If you do own a home and you'd like to buy this one and take advantage of the grant, we would need to sell your other property to buy this property. If you fit this criteria or you want a little more information, I'd love to hear from you. You can call me or text me directly on my cell phone, which is 562-773-7099. You can click the link below. We have our website there. Sign up, become somebody we can reach out to. You can search properties on our site. Love to absolutely hear from you. Again, great opportunity. Take advantage. $50,000 grant. Can't wait to hear from you.